Imagine turning pure sunlight into clean cooking fuel almost instantly. This is not a distant dream, but a reality unfolding in the Gambia thanks to the Fortis Invicta Integrated Circular Economy Project. This innovative project is transforming agro-waste into solar-dried briquettes and biochar fuel in under 60 seconds of processing time. Think of mango peels, rice husks, and all kinds of agricultural residues. The system employs solar dehydration tunnels to dry the waste rapidly. Following this, gasifier reactors convert the dried waste into high-energy briquettes, while biochar kilns substantially reduce CO emissions by over 90%. Families enjoy smoke-free kitchens, farmers profit from selling residues, and communities reap the rewards of affordable, clean, and renewable cooking energy. This is the new Gambia, where waste turns into wealth and sunlight becomes electricity. Visit www.Fortis Invicta. Come and witness this green revolution in action. Embrace a future where the sun powers prosperity.